will turn that frown upside down because today we're doing Alien Aces 3D wind-up puzzles. Woohoo! Today I have this really cool set of 2 3D wind-up Alien Aces puzzles. It says build it, wind it, race it. I am so excited. I've never used these before. Really looking forward to how they work. Instructions. Okay. Looks like 2 pouches with our alien puzzles. Oh, these pieces are tiny. This looks a little bit challenging. Okay, so it looks like we have a lot to punch out. Oh my goodness. So this piece is tiny enough, but look at these little itty bitty slots in here. Do I really have to punch all of that out? Look at that. That is just the teeniest, tiniest. My goodness. And there's all these little round spots here. Oh, this could take a while. Oh boy. Okay, so I finally got all of these little pieces punched out, and now I'm going to start putting the guy together. This is going to take a while, I can tell. Okay, he's done. That took a while. That took a while. I'm curious what the age recommendation is on this. Yeah, age is 6+. No, I don't think so. I think you've got to be like at least 106 to be patient enough to take this thing on. Holy crap. Okay. Well, I did it. I haven't wound it up and tried it yet. That's going to be the real test. But I'm thinking there's something wrong with mine's head. He's either chronically depressed or he's headbanging at a rock concert. So I'm thinking I put his head on wrong because this is what he looks like on the box. His head is not hanging down like that. So let me mess with it for a second and then we'll try him out. What is wrong with you? Why this? Like that? You. Okay, no, I've determined there's nothing that can be done. We're just gonna say that he's a headbanging rocker here. So let me wind him up. No, he's not doing anything. Stop! Okay, nothing's happening. I'm thinking that I've got the motor flipped the wrong way. It shouldn't be sticking out his butt here. I think it needs to go that way. So, it looks like it's gonna be a real pain to fix, but I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna try to get it flipped around. Okay, I fixed his head. More importantly, I think I fixed his ability to walk. So let's try this. Now go! Oh my gosh. Okay, why is he going backwards? Wait! What? Come on. Why is he walking backwards? He's moonwalking. No! I am not taking him apart again. I don't care if he's a moonwalker. He can moonwalk. I am not doing that again. I refuse. I quit. Okay. Alright. One down, one to go. Okay, so the pieces to this one look really similar to the pieces of that one, so I'm hoping this will be a breeze. Okay, done. This one didn't feel as bad, so it's identical. The only thing that's different is the color. I think this one's gonna walk forward because I paid more attention. Oops, hold on, I forgot a piece. Anyway, I think this one's gonna walk forward because I was paying more attention. I've got the motor on the other side, so we should move forward. I'm gonna try it out. Come on, go. Your feet stuck? What's going on? Move! Or not move at all. What's going on with you? Stop it! No! The leg's falling off. Look on there. Get back. No! Stop falling apart! Now the tail's coming off. What is this piece doing? So it's getting in my way. Here we go. Move. Alright, hold on a second. I'm gonna take this off for a second. Okay, are you gonna walk? Are you gonna not walk? What are you doing? No! What happened? Did I break the motor? What did I do? No. Ah! He's having a seizure. Right here. Walk. Alright, what is going on? This guy. Why? Why aren't you working? Alright, this guy doesn't want to do anything. This guy wants to walk backwards. Alright, so far I'm not very thrilled with these. Hold on. Alright. He's so funny though. Alright, you go over there. Just, yeah! What is wrong with you? Why is the motor stuck? Is there a piece in the way? Here, I'm gonna rip your leg off for a minute. Okay. I think that leg might be hanging him up. So let me just try. Let me hook this leg up. Okay. Why won't you stay where you're supposed to go? This motor is making me so mad! Which direction are you even supposed to be going? Alright, this guy's a dud. He's making me really, really mad. He looks cool. Here. Oh, your foot's on backwards. Seriously? All that work? I'm not even going to be able to race you guys. Nah! Okay, well, Green Dude here is officially my favorite. Over there for a minute. Alright, I'm still gonna try to salvage this guy, because I'm gonna be really, really mad if, like, I built both these guys and I can't even race them. I want you guys to race! Come on! Put the egg in there. Like, half of his pieces have fallen off now. Okay. So your legs are where they're supposed to be. Right. Okay, this guy is not gonna work because this motor's not even turning over. Like, it's not at all doing what it's supposed to do. It's just not working. It's not working at all. You pathetic loser! This is a dead alien. We're gonna put you on the burn heap. Meh. But this guy is pretty cool, and I'm pretty sure when my 11-year-old sees him walking backwards that he's going to find that incredibly amusing. Go, dude. Go. Ah! Go on, go, dude. Go, dude. Woo! Yeah! Alright, well, that's it for this video. If you guys liked the video, click the like button below. Bye!